guys, today we're gonna be going from this to bam to that. Yes, it's a simple short eyebrow tutorial, but first we're gonna start off by simply just cleaning up your face. I'm just using baby wipes with no, it doesn't have any chemicals or anything, so just wipe any extra oils or products around your eye area. Starting with my spoolie, I'm going to brush my hairs upwards or in the direction that they grow. Basically, the beginning of my eyebrows are pretty long, so I just put them to the left side, just place them in the right place. And then going in with my eyebrow brush, you could use like an angled eyebrow brush, but my other one is too thick and I prefer using a thin one to not create too many messes. I start off with a medium brow definer to the beginning of my eyebrow, not the very beginning, because I don't want my eyebrows to look too rough, and it's not really a good look to start off in the beginning. I normally start where my eye. And then going in here with my spoolie again, I'm putting my hairs downwards for me to basically see the lining, the shape of my eyebrow, and going in with a warm brown brow definer. It's a darker shade. At the ending of my eyebrow, I use a deep brown brow definer tone because I want the ending, it's basically like a ombre look, you don't want your whole eyebrow to basically be completely dark, so I finish it off with it looking sharp and dark to the normal shade of my hair. Basically, do not ever get black. Even if your hair is black, it's not really. And please at the beginning of the root of your eyebrows, brush that in before applying any concealer. You do not want any harsh lines in the beginning. You just don't want to see that lining. I'm ready. If you ask me, 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 I'm ready. Okay, so do not use the same tone of concealer at the top of the eyebrow as I'm doing. I'm just out of the shade of my skin, and the one I was using got really oily on my skin. My face is already oily enough, but please just don't do what I'm doing. I just after that applied a powder that looked more like my skin tone up top, because when you're just applying that same color at the top, it's just too light. The bottom is to define the eyebrow. You don't want that look, but I had no option, at least after I went in. So let's say you have the same problem, just apply like any powder near to your color maybe. But I heard Milani's are really good. They have really good foundation or concealer products, so I'm definitely going to be trying that out once I go to the store. So I recommend you guys too, because it's the cheaper version of Ulta. Like me, you don't want to spend too much money on no foundation. Comes to me, and if you have something to say, you should say it right now. You give me a feeling that I never felt before. Watch your man, you should watch your mouth.
big stunts. My crown won't fit on your bum ass lace fronts. You bitches catching the fade. Shout out my nigga Lil Boosie. All of your friends will be dead. You could get hit with that Uzi.
And I deserve it, I think I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore. And I can't take it. I was wondering, baby, could I make you my baby? If we do the unthinkable, would it make us so crazy? If you ask me, I'm ready. If you ask me, I'm ready. I know you said to me, this is exactly how it should feel when it's meant to be. Time is only wasting, so I'll wait for eventually. If we gon' do something about it, we should do it right now. You give me a feeling that I never.
And to top it all off, just add some highlighter, girl, because it's just gonna make your brow bone pop. And that's what you want. You want people to look at your eyebrows like, ooh, her eyebrows is nice. So make sure to apply your favorite highlighter. Not too much, but directly in that spot.
The way I'm saying, if you ask me, I'm ready.